Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's start. Good morning, Mia.
Good morning, Emma. Are you okay?
No, I am not okay.
What is wrong?
My stomach hurts a lot.
Since when?
Since this morning.
Is the pain very strong?
Yes, it is very strong.
Did you eat something bad?
I don't think so.
You should rest for now.
Okay, I will rest.
Tell me if it gets worse.
Mia, the pain is still here.
Is it better or worse?
It is worse now.
That sounds serious.
I am a little scared.
You should see a doctor.
Maybe you are right.
Do you want me to come with you?
No, I can go alone.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Please tell me everything when you are back.
I will tell you everything. I promise.
Take care, Emma.
Hello, welcome to the hospital.
Hello, thank you.
How can I help you?
My stomach hurts very much.
I am sorry to hear that. What is your name, please?
Yes, my name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. Please take a seat.
Okay, thank you.
The doctor will see you soon.
I will wait here.
Emma, please sit down.
Thank you.
How do you feel today?
I feel very tired.
Where is the pain?
The pain is in my stomach.
Is the pain constant?
Yes, it does not stop.
Okay, let's check you now.
All right, I am ready.
I will check your stomach now.
Okay, doctor.
Please breathe slowly.
Like this?
Yes, that is good. Does this hurt?
Yes, a little.
And here.
That hurts more.
I understand. We need to do some tests.
What kind of tests?
Just a blood test and a scan.
Okay, that is fine.
This will only take a minute.
Okay, I am ready.
You might feel a small pinch.
That's okay.
You are doing very well.
Thank you.
Now we will do the scan.
Is it painful?
No, it is not painful at all.
That is good to know.
Please lie down here.
Okay, I am ready now.
Emma, I have your results.
Is everything okay?
We found a health problem.
What kind of problem?
It is an infection in your stomach.
Is it serious?
Yes, it is a serious infection.
I am scared, doctor.
I understand your feelings.
What will happen to me?
Please listen carefully to me.
Okay, I am listening.
You do not need to worry, Emma.
But you said it is serious.
Yes, but it can be treated.
Really?
Yes, really. With the right treatment, you will get better.
How long will it take?
A few weeks with medicine and rest.
That doesn't sound too bad.
You are strong, Emma.
Thank you, doctor.
Let's start your treatment today.
Okay, I trust you.
This medicine will help your stomach.
How often do I take it?
3 times a day after meals.
I will remember that.
Also, please rest a lot.
I will rest at home.
Drink plenty of water, too.
Okay, I will do that.
Come back next week for a check.
I will come back.
You are doing the right thing.
Thank you for your help. 1 week later.
Hello again, Emma.
Hello, doctor.
How do you feel now?
I feel much better.
That is wonderful news. Is the pain still there?
The pain is almost gone.
Let me check you again.
Okay, doctor.
Everything looks much better.
I am so happy to hear that.
Just finish your medicine, please.
I will finish it.
Emma, your results are perfect now.
Really? That is amazing.
You are completely healthy again.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You did a great job.
I followed your advice.
That is why you got better.
I am very grateful.
Take care of yourself, Emma.
I will. I promise.
Goodbye, Emma.
Goodbye, doctor. Thank you again. Mia, I have good news.
Tell me, Emma.
I am completely healthy now.
That is wonderful.
The doctor helped me a lot.
I am so happy for you.
Thank you for your support, too.
Of course, I care about you.
Let's make some tea to celebrate.
Yes, I would love that.
I am happy to be home.
I am happy you are okay.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.